we now demonstrate how to call the integer conditions in the Excel solver. As we can see in this case of ABC, we have three decision variables, E, F, and H. For these three decision variables, we have the coefficient of 5,000, 4,000, and 7,000. We reserve the cell of C4 to E4 as the decision variables. As we have solved using the linear programming, we have the optimal solution of G0 for E, 5.5 for F, and 4.18 for H. As we know, we did not specify that E, F, and H have to be integers. But suppose we specify that E, F, and H must be integers. How can we do that in Excel solver? Okay, now let's call the Excel solver. In this pop-out window, we already input everything for the linear programming, but we have not specified that the integer condition for E, F, and H. Now, let us add one more constraint. We are going to add the integer condition in this pop-out window. For the cell reference, we are going to call all those integers and specify them be int. Int means integer right here. So you just call one more time int, and the solver will specify them as integers. So we are going to say OK. Of course, if E, F, and H are not necessarily just integer, if they have to be binary, we are going to specify another condition. It's called binary, BIN. That's for binary for that. But because in this case of ABC, we do not have that requirement for the binary for the three E, F, and H products, we are going to cancel the condition for binary. But as we know, we already add that condition for the integer in this case. And now we can solve this problem. We say OK. And as we can see, the optimal solution will be 1 for E, 6 for F, and 3 for H. And currently, we have all the integer optimal solution for these three products. Now, let me demonstrate one more time how to call the integer condition. Let's call the solver. And we suppose we reset everything. And we are going to call the objective function. We maximize the profit. We have the decision variables. And we add one more constraint. And we add one more constraint of those three decision variables to be integers. And we say OK. And we solve the problem. And we go to OK. We get the 1, 6, and 3 for E, F, and H optimal solution respectively. Thank you.